Okay, hello everyone, see you again. In the previous video, I just show you about the pre-entry water pump with a big drum. But this project, I just show you about small one. It's easy for you to follow. It's easy for you to do. Follow me to do, right? Yes, we call pre-entry water pump, right? Right now it's flowing. So this one before using for close and open. If we need the water, we open. If we don't need, we just close like this, right? So this, and then we can open like this. So it's very easy for you to do. Follow me, and you can just spend a little bit money to buy some material like wire check, pipe, and glue to set up it, and then can do it forever. And the other step, I can use this valve for show you how does it work. Right? It's so strong about this, right? Like this. So this project here we call pre-entry water pump. No use electricity. Just use the pressure. Get pressure by the drum. Make a pressure to suck water from the deep well here. Right? No need electricity. It non-stop, 24 hours per day. The first time like this strong, but usually it's around 20 minutes. It will be weaker and weaker. We cannot compare with the electric machine or pump because it uses electricity is stronger than this one, right? But a lot of people they confuse. Okay, then I'll go to the check. And a lot of people they confuse this project with the siphon system. Siphon system just take water from the high place to the low place, but this project just take the water from the deep place to the high place, right? And this standing pipe we call ear pressure. Ear pressure, it can make a pressure to stop the ear when it comes back from the end of the pipe. Make sure it cannot go into this main drum. If the ear go to this main drum, the project cannot successfully well, right? This is very important. If you follow or set up this kind of project, you have to use this kind of ear pressure. Another one, this wire check here. Wire check here we use for filling water before we process our project, because we have to fill water this main drum until it full. Okay. Another way that you can see here, we call input pipe and output pipe here. This one is we don't use the well. It's very old, but I difficult to take water from here to fill to cure my vegetable, my flower over there. So I have a new idea to set up this project to cure my vegetable and flower over there. Right? It's a good idea. Okay. And if you like my video, please help me to subscribe or the ring bell. Please help me to share your friend or family if you want to see, if you want to show them about my project, about my video. Okay. See you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.